Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the updates updated you today that according to the source, Nazareth Dinape has sought Kaizer Chiefs management to sign two stars from Richards Bay, Yanela Mbuthuma and Lwandile Maboyo. Nazareth Dinape was impressed by these boys during Kaizer Chiefs 2 games against Richards Bay. Kaizer Chiefs are hearing Sinoxolo Kwaiba, also Devin Titus, also Napoli ahead of the next transfer window. Nazareth Dinape have told Kaizer Chiefs to get them for him. Kaizer Chiefs will sign two strikers, one must be a foreigner and one will be a South African. Nazareth Dinape wants to sign players who are 23 years old or 25 to 26 years old because he wants to introduce another talent in football. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.